Thank you for choosing Gaudin Porsche of Las Vegas as your service provider for your Porsche vehicle. I'm Logan, our Porsche Pro here. I'm going to show you how you can change the key fob battery in your key fob. I'm going to refer to these as generation 1, 2, and 3 for the sake of the video, so you can skip forward to the part of the video that pertains to you. Keep in mind that all three of these batteries use CR2032s. We're going to start with the first generation key here, and if you turn it around, you'll see that you can easily take off the key part, just like that. Once you have that off, simply pulling back will reveal where the battery is. You can swap that out, make sure it's facing down like this, where you can see the brand name. Put it back on, and then return the key. For our second generation key, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to start from here. You'll notice there's a little place where you can put your thumb to take out the key. We're then going to separate the two sides of the key. You may want to try using a tool for this. Once you have both sides off, you simply twist here, and then there's the key fob battery. Place everything back. It may take a few tries to line up exactly which one goes where. For the third generation key, you're going to begin by separating here. There's a button here. Pull down and separate like this. Keep in mind, you may want to use a tool for this part, or just ask a service advisor if you don't feel comfortable doing this, but you're going to want to push this part back. Which will also reveal the key fob battery there. Swap that out, put it back in. Once you have that back together, push that back in, make sure it's locked in, and you've changed the key fob battery. As I said, if you're not comfortable changing the battery, please ask one of your service advisors. They'd be happy to assist you with this.